everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is super exciting because I have Evan back on my channel. Mwah! My son Evan, he is almost 3.5 and he is super duper tall and very, very smart, huh buddy? Yeah. And he watches me get ready sometimes in the morning, so I thought I'd done the video in the past where he helped pick my makeup, but now I was thinking maybe he could do my makeup. He is so ready. Let me tell you, I've been like going over like, okay, what do we want to do? Do you know how to do it? Yeah. Not practicing, just preparing. So let's see how a 3-year-old does my makeup. Let's jump right into the video. Say hit subscribe.
Hit subscribe.
Okay, what's the first thing, Evan? What's this called?
Spray stuff.
Spray stuff. Foundation.
Foundation.
Okay, can you try and put it on my face? Okay, this cheek. Some forehead. It's coming down on there, huh? Get some up on here. Okay, can you dab it on my face? Dab it all over. A little aggressive, are we? Okay, you know what comes next? What's this called? Concealer.
Concealer.
If
I
you
know how
open
to
it,
do
this
that.
goes under my eyes. It goes right here.
Oh.
So far, I have a splotchy foundation with some stuff on my lid, but we're just gonna let the 3-year-old do my makeup and see how it turns out. Okay, now this goes under my eye, just under. Okay, now the other side. Oh my goodness. It's mostly my teeth, but okay. Okay, now put this back on here and now you're gonna blend it out. Blend it out. Keep going a little bit. Not too bad. All right, next is contour. We're gonna try and do some contour. Remember the brown? Okay. Now where does brown go on my face? Kind of right here.
Yeah.
Can you apply it? Okay, wait, you gotta get some more product. Get some more brown. Okay. Where else on my forehead does it go? Keep going. Oh, not on my nose. Okay, you need to get some more for the other cheek. Is that it? Now where do we put the blush? Where do we put the pink one? Kind of over here. Get some pink. Okay. Get some more pink. Other cheek. Okay. So now we're gonna do highlighter. We need to change brushes. The camera. Thank you. All right. Now we're gonna do some highlight. If I can get it out of here. So where does highlight go, Evan?
Right.
No, look at my face. Where does highlight go? Goes on the tip of my nose. Right here and here. Okay. Where does it go? Look at the camera. Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Nod your head, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are so far, which actually, other than the big splotch of pink blush right here, is not looking too bad. All right, Evan, what is next? Can you remember?
I don't know.
You don't know. Next is eyeshadow.
Green.
Green. So
Where is
he
this
chose
cover?
the green right here in the middle of this palette. All right, Evan. So you're gonna use this end right here in that green, and it's gonna go on my eyelid. Alright, so we're going to save my eyeballs from getting stabbed out and not do eyeliner and mascara, but we're going to finish with lips. So Evan, what are we putting on the lips? He wants to put on some gloss, which I'm okay with because color everywhere just does not sound like a good idea. Yeah, we're going to get all nice and close. Let's change this light here. I'm going to change up the lighting. No, that is worse and worse. That's better. So you can see, hold on Evan, hold on. So you can see the coloring that's going on. This wonderful bruised eye look is what I'm gonna call it, that Evan gave me. All right, finish up the lips, buddy. Got a little bit on my chin, but that's okay. How about a little bit over here? Awesome. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm going to call this look the bruised eye look, but Evan thinks it looks good, huh buddy? I asked him, how do you think it looks? And he said it looks good. Anyways, I just thought it'd be fun since I was spending some time with him and I wanted to film a video for you guys. I know it was short, but silly and fun all together. So I hope you guys liked it. Anyways, I will see you guys all next time. Say bye, Evan.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say hit subscribe.
Hit subscribe.
Thanks, bud. All right. Bye, guys.